Let's break down concrete slab cost per square foot. Here's what you need to know. 10 to 13 for basic broom finish. 16 plus 4 foundations. 16 to 28 for stamped. Demo adds 3 to 4 per square foot. Quick answer: concrete slabs cost 6 to 10 per square foot for basic 4-inch thickness. A 20 by 20 slab, 400 square feet, runs $2,400 to $4,000 installed. Moving on to how much does a concrete slab cost per square foot? Concrete slabs cost 10 to 13 per square foot for basic broom finish, 16 plus per square foot for foundation slabs, and 16 to 28 per square foot for stamped or decorative finishes. Most projects have a $4,000 minimum for basic work or $6,500 minimum for stamped concrete. Next up, concrete slab pricing by type. Slab type price per square FT minimum job. Basic broom finish, no rebar, 10 to 114,000. Broom finish with rebar 12 to 13. Foundation slab 16 plus. Stamped concrete, no rebar, 16 to 176,500. Let's talk about additional cost factors. Add on additional cost. Demo and remove existing concrete plus 3 to 4 per square foot, 1,500 minutes. Pump line mix, limited access, plus 0.40 to 0.50 per square foot plus 1,200 pump fee. Rebar reinforcement plus 2 per square foot. Thicker pour, 5 to 6 inch versus 4 inch, plus 1 to 2 per square foot. Here's the deal with example project costs. Project size basic price with rebar. Shed pad 100 to 200 square feet 4,000,4,000. Patio 200 to 400 square feet 4,000 to 4,004, 400 to 5,200. 2-car driveway 400 to 500 square feet 400 to 5,005, 200 to 6,500. Garage floor 400 to 600 square feet 400 to 6,005, 200 to 7,800. Now let's look at what's included inches slab pricing. Standard slab installation includes site preparation and grading. Compacted gravel base, 4 to 6 inches. 4,000 psi fiber reinforced concrete. Forming and pouring. Moving on to basic broom finish, $10 to $13 per square feet. Best for driveways, patios, sidewalks, utility pads. The textured broom finish provides good traction and is the most economical option for functional surfaces. Next up, foundation slabs, $16 plus per square feet. Best for building foundations, garage floors supporting heavy equipment, commercial applications. Thicker pours with engineered reinforcement meet structural requirements. For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.